So you found your soulmate, and this is the start of a beautiful new relationship between you and your feet, full of love, listening, learning, and lots of fun. So we created the SoleMate because we wanted an all-in-one foot restoration and balance training tool that could also help improve knee and hip health, which are really intimately connected with our foot health. So you can use the SoleMate for all different kinds of release and alignment work in the toes, feet, and legs, as a balance beam that is actually impressively challenging, and even as a slant board for strength and mobility training. So it is a really cool multi-purpose tool, but of course the power is all in how and how often you use it. So that's why we created our SoleMate training system to help guide you through all of the different ways that you can use it and how best to combine them. We also have 3 different levels of progression that you can look at for each section. We recommend starting low and gradually building up over time as you develop the habit. The key with any rehab or training program is consistency and progression. So you need to be doing it often enough that your body can adapt to the new input that you're providing, and you need to be gradually increasing the demand so that you continue to improve over time. To help with this, we've provided a sample program that will help you get the most out of your SoleMate. We've split our exercises and drills up into broad categories of work and play, and even further down into the specific areas, so feet, ankle, knees, and hips. Of course, you can also choose to design your own program that focuses more on certain problem areas, or to work with a practitioner to help decide which exercises are most important for you right now. Like any new relationship, this will be a process of discovery that takes patience and commitment, but building strong foundations can help set you up for a lifetime of health and happiness.